Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enable Game Bar Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To enable Game Bar on Windows 11, you can follow these steps. So the first step would be, click on the Start menu and click on the gear icon to open the settings. Next step, in the settings menu, choose Gaming. Under the Gaming section, you'll find various gaming related settings. Look for Xbox Game Bar. Toggle the switch to the on position to enable the Xbox Game Bar. Once enabled, you can open the Xbox Game Bar by pressing the Windows key plus G. This brings up the overlay where you can access various gaming features, including screen recording, capturing screenshots, and many more. Enabling the Game Bar provides quick access to gaming related features and tools on your Windows 11 system. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.